Hey guys, you have McGann, and today I'm going to attempt to clean my very dirty, filthy Cricut mat. Actually, I keep the protector on it when I'm not using it, so let me just pull that off so you can see just how gross and dirty it's gotten. I've got stickers on here from the Oracle 651 vinyl. I've got a bunch of like little hairs and fabric fibers and dust that's gotten into it, and hopefully you can see kind of how ugh that is. And I have never tried to clean a mat before, but I have heard that this LA's Totally Awesome spray, which I got from the Dollar Tree, but I believe Dollar General also carries it. And then I've just got some cheapo generic Members Mark baby wipes. So let's see if this works out well. Well, it would help if I turned it on. I bet that would make all the difference. I'm just going to generously spray this down, and do keep in mind, this is a mat that does not have flowers on it. There are mats, I think the older ones had flowers on it. This one does not. And it is working pretty well. It's starting to get all the little fuzzy fibers and hairs off the mat. You might need more than one baby wipe. Oh yeah, that is taking up that stupid label nicely that got stuck on the back. Okay, now you may notice that all these little white marks are still staying on. That's because these are actually pieces where the board was actually pulled up when I pulled off the vinyl. So no matter how hard I scrub, those little white marks are always going to be there because that's a, you know, just wear and tear kind of thing. These mats are only meant to be used, I think, 30 times each. And I'd probably use this one a good 25 by now at least. But like I always say, I am all about stretching that dollar, and until I become some kind of big Cricut sponsored channel here, I'm gonna keep stretching that dollar as far as I can make it go. Alright, so I've used about 4 baby wipes and just that one round of spray. It's gotten the mat a lot cleaner than it was. It's gotten most of the hairs out. I can still keep working on it and working more stuff off of it. But I'm going to let this dry and then see if the mat's still sticky, because if it's not sticky at the end of all of this, then there's really no point in wasting the effort to clean it. Alright, so now this has had plenty of time to dry, and I am almost amazed. Like, this is super, super sticky. I've got a scrap piece of Oracle 651 vinyl right here, and I'm just going to test it on a few places to show you that it's still sticking down like it was. Well, even if you can't see it, you'll hear it. You hear that pull. And I'll just randomly select a few places just so you can tell all over. Yeah, I mean, it's sticking great. It's basically as close to new as it's going to get. So the Awesome Spray is a real trick that really works. Now you've seen it here first. And I am just going to cover this back up with my sheet. Ooh. Wow, it's even stickier than it was before because that was harder to pull off than it was when I started. But alright guys, thanks for watching. That totally works. Baby wipes and Awesome Spray. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to figure them out for you. And I'll see you next time.